Our ginger tinola soup is fully cooked, and I forgot to tell you that I included carrots right here, baby carrots, and also onions. That's it. You didn't miss anything. And the mist in our hot ginger chicken tinola is blurring our camera, so I apologize for that. And let's get this big drumstick for you and me and all of us. The aroma is really very fragrant and flavorful, very healthy as well. And let's get another big drumstick for you and me and all of us. And wow, I need this. For those who have colds like me, I need the hot soup for you and me and all of us. And so, wow, this is super flavorful. And you eat this with rice, but I'm just going to get the soup, the veggies, excuse me please, and the chicken, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you over the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And I apologize that it's blurred because of the hot simmering ginger tinola soup. And our natural dessert is cherry. And you will notice another book of mine, Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony. And this is the miracles of Ascended Master Anthony to my mom and dad when they were newlyweds. And Hug a Tree is another book of mine. And so let's bless our food before we enjoy this. Isn't that important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmit it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought for our self-sustain. And so it is done, beloved, I am. It's still hot, so the mist of the heat is covering our camera, so I apologize for that. Even my mom's cookbook right there, a little blurred, but you know what my book is entitled. And so now I'm giving you spoon and fork, and we're going to enjoy the I need the broth. Wowee. Let's blow some air because it's going to be really hot for you and me and all of us. Yum, yum, yum. There's nothing like chicken tinola when you have a cold, especially, but any time of the year you're gonna enjoy this. Super delicious. Oh my goodness. And I have another one. I have rice already cooked, but I am just going to enjoy this with you. The broth, the chicken, and the veggies for you and me and all of us. Super delicious. And our baby carrot It's very tender now. For you and me and all of us. Yum. Mmm. Lovely. Excuse me, please. This is very nutritious. And let's have the beans. Excuse me, please. For you and me and all of us. Mmm. Just perfect. Oh my goodness. And let me have another broth for you and me and all of us. Oh my goodness. Super delicious. Super flavorful. Excuse me, please. And let's have our cranberry juice for some chilled cranberry juice for you and me and all of us. Super yum. You're gonna love this as I do. With our cherry natural dessert and chicken tinola ginger soup. Super flavorful. #1. And more delightful food recipes of my beloved mom. And this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez via CD and CD. I apologize. The mist and the heat of the soup is blurring our camera, but you see the deliciousness of our tinola and our fresh dessert cherries right from the refrigerator. And more books. Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony. Mom and Dad has a yacht named after St. Anthony because when they were newlyweds, Mom and Dad saw excuse me, please, the miracles of Son and Master Anthony. Happy cooking! Yum! Enjoy tinola.